Now I'm going to take up the properties of liquids. Now the molecules in the liquid are not that much packed as it is in solid. As compared to solids, the molecules in the liquid are loosely packed. So the molecular spaces in a liquid are more than that of a solid. As the spaces are large in a liquid, the intermolecular force of attraction becomes weaker than that of the solid. So that is why the molecules of solid can change their position and can move here and there. So liquids are able to flow, and hence they do not have a definite shape. And liquids always, as the spaces are large and the intermolecular force of attraction is weak, they always need a container in which they have to be kept. Though they do not have a definite shape, but they have a definite volume. Liquids have a definite volume. Still there is a force of attraction between the molecules. Liquids have large intermolecular spaces as compared to solids, so they can be compressed slightly. And when the temperature of the liquid is increased, the liquid expands more than that of solid because of weaker intermolecular force of attraction as compared to solids. So what are the main properties of liquids? Due to the large intermolecular spaces, they do not have a definite shape, so they need a container. And as there is a force of attraction between the molecules, so they have a definite volume. They can be compressed slightly more than that of a solid, and they expand more than that of a solid on heating. So these are the main properties of liquids. Now we are going to study about the properties of gases. As compared to solids and liquids, the intermolecular spaces in a gas are very large. As the intermolecular spaces are very large, so the intermolecular force of attraction is negligible in a gas. Means hardly there is any force of attraction between them. As I told you, that intermolecular force of attraction and intermolecular spaces are inversely proportional to each other. They can occupy whatever space is available to them. So that is why they do not have a definite shape nor a definite volume, as they can occupy all the spaces available to them, being negligible force of attraction. They can very easily flow, as the intermolecular spaces are very large. They can very easily flow because the intermolecular force of attraction is negligible. As the spaces are very large, they can be compressed very easily. And because of negligible force of attraction, they can easily flow. Because of negligible force of attraction, they expand very quickly on heating. So these are the main properties of gases. First property is that they do not have a definite shape nor a definite volume. They can be easily compressed because of large spaces. They can easily flow because of negligible force of attraction, and they expand very easily. So on the basis of shape, volume, and compressibility, rigidity, we can have, because of these properties, shape, volume, compressibility, fluidity, we have a table to show the comparison between the solid, liquid and gas. So on the basis of shape, solids have a definite shape. Liquids do not have definite shape, they need a container, and gases have no definite shape. They take the shape of the container. On the basis of the property of volume, solids have a definite volume, liquids also have a definite volume, but gases do not have any definite volume. On the basis of property of compressibility, solids cannot be compressed, liquids can be slightly compressed, gases can be easily compressed. On the basis of fluidity, solids cannot flow as they are rigid, liquids can flow, and gases flow easily in all directions. That is why if you put a perfume on your clothes, you can just smell it throughout the room. It smells, fragrance can be smelled in the whole room just because they flow easily in all directions. So on the basis of the kinetic theory of matter, we have studied about the properties of solid, liquids and gases. And I have also shown you the comparison between solid, liquid and gases. Now rest of the chapter we will do it next time.